Modern election agencies require innovative, reliable, and scalable technology to best serve their stakeholders, voters, candidates, campaigns, and others, and to equip their staff with the tools for success. MTX's suite of election solutions enable the seamless management of elections, voters,
campaign finance filers,
and lobbyist disclosure in one centralized system to create efficiencies in operations and reduce manual and redundant tasks. We prioritize usability, accessibility, transparency, and security in the development of each of our comprehensive solutions, always keeping in mind the needs of both constituents and election staff. Furthermore, our suite is built on a three-way customer service model: state and county election officials, voters and filers, and the inquiring public. Guided workflows, automation of repetitive tasks, workload management, and dashboards aid state and county staff in efficiently administering the systems. We aim to empower constituents by allowing them to easily view their voter history, polling place location, sample ballots, and campaign contributions. Easy-to-use portals channel this information to the public, leading to transparency, a superior customer experience, and trust in the system. Using configurable forms and workflows plus immutable event logging, we ensure compliance with each state-specific laws and good data retention in case of an election contest. Our deep public sector and elections experience allows us to leverage and adapt a variety of approaches according to any jurisdiction's needs, and gives us the edge to discover unique opportunities for efficiencies in their staff workload. As a result of our innovative product and project approach, MTX delivers working solutions in months, not years. As a trusted public sector partner in over 37 U.S. states, MTX is dedicated to improving the lives of residents through world-class technology and providing agencies with solutions which address their specific and unique needs. Let us help provide your residents with the most secure, modern election experience and enable your workers with automated processes, enhanced collaboration, and more. To learn more about how MTX can help you solve your most significant technology challenges and improve your election office's delivery strategy, contact us today.